Since we're already discussing about the conditional statements, this time let's see what should be inside a decision box. So first, the decision box should have either result to true or false, and the other one be represented in a mathematical form. When we say a mathematical form, it should be something like this. So x, it's less than 20. And this is a no-no. Okay? Next one. We need to discuss as well the different types of selection structure. First, we need to discuss about the single alternative selection structure. This is a decision box, may not be necessarily have to do something for both true path and the false path. I have an example here on the board. If you can see it, basically for single alternative selection structure, we only have one or single result. So for example, if this is our condition, if the answer is false, dito pa siya mo go directly to the another processing. So we only have single, diba? Kay usa ra man siya. Kung naa na siya other one there, for example, naa na siya other process block like that, double na siya. So since we're still discussing about single, mo ni siya. Okay, let's talk about double. This performs two different things when the condition is true or false. Example, like this one. One moment. So, one moment, like this. So just like what I said earlier, or just like what I showed you earlier, kanikay this is of course end. So, naa siya'y operations or naa siya'y processing after sa iyahang condition. This is the condition block. Am I right? Condition block, manino? Okay, correct. That's dual alternative selection structure. That's easy lang, actually. We also have multiple decision boxes. So just to let you know that if you will see here, so example, x is equal to 0. So we initialize the variable x here to 0. Then we need to get input from the user. So if the user inputted 1, it will go directly and will display hello to the screen. But if not, if it's no, go to 2, check. No paghapon, go to 3. Kung di gihapon 3 ang gi-input, kung 4 ang gi-input mo, diretso siya dito musulat siya or mo i-display siya invalid. Then, terminate the program or end the program. Okay? I will show you an example. Okay. Create a flowchart that would print the name of the supervisor under a certain department number. So for example, we have department number 123, si Mr. X, department 4, 5, 6, 7, kay si Mr. Y, and 8 of 9 kay si Mr. Z. So what should we do? So basically, this is our answer for the flowchart. So of course, we need to start, then we need to initialize the department or declare the department or DEPT. This is our variable name. This time, we need to get input from the user by using a input block, then get department or get DEPT. Then if the user inputted if the user inputted 2, it will be here, right? Then if it's yes, it will display X. If the user inputted 4, it will display Y. If the user inputted 10, of course, it's invalid. It will display Mr. Z. But for those na kuan gyud siya, but nga pa nilag ani diri usa pa at least kay Mr. Z ba, lahi kay Mr. Z. So for example, department there then less than or equal to 9. There is a Mr. Z. Like that, if this is yes. And if still no, that's the time na mo-display siya og invalid. Okay, invalid. Basta ka na. Then, stop. Like that one. Let's have another example. Like this one. Sorry. Manisya ako sa mga ganina. Another example or solution for the same problem. So, nagkalahi ra nila kay nagsugod siya sa taas, pababa. Ang kani kay nagsugod siya og baba, pataas. Right? Depende lang yun sa inyo, ha? So, here, for example, but walay 9. Diba? Dapat 9 is siya. 9. Okay, 8 to 9 ba yato si Mr. Z? Then 4 to 1 to si Mr. Y. 4 to 8, 4 to 7. Okay. There you go. And for example, kung si user nag-input of 0, madiretso siya kay Mr. Z. Diba, dili man dapat kay 1 to 1 na ba yato? 1 to 3. Or 1 to 2. Right? So, dapat, katong same sa kung ganing nagibuhat na i-filter ganiyo siya. Okay?